Alright guys, my last video on the Hatsan Harpoon, I neglected to talk about the butt pad. The butt pad is fully adjustable, and that means it'll go up and down and it'll go right or left. And also your cheek piece will go up and down. Now, I've equipped this with a 4x32 UTG illuminated crossbow scope. But what I wanted to show you today, and these are the bolt holders that Hatsan has been kind enough to put on the Harpoon. What I wanted to show you is I was able to get these bolts from Lancaster Archery, and they are Victory crossbow bolts. They're called the X bolt. They're 20-inch FXG-6. Now, what's neat about them is, and what I was concerned about is, I was going to have to heat this up to get the knockout to be able to fit it into the Harpoon. But what's cool about it is these just pop out, which is great. So you don't have any extra work to do to get these bolts ready for the Harpoon. So you just pop it out. It's a plastic little insert, probably made for people who want to put that lighted knock on the back so they can find the arrow. Now, as you can see, and I'll move this down, as you can see, then they slide right onto the Harpoon. Now, in the back of the Harpoon, there is an O-ring that fits over this piece right here that slips in. It's probably not a good. It's probably a good idea every so often to put a little lube grease on this Dow 33 or whatever. So when you slide the arrow down in, it lubricates the O-ring at the bottom. Now, once it clips in, you'll hear it click. This is not coming out. So with these Victory X bolt arrows, you get 6 of them, $40, something like that. I had to order them. But you get 6 of them per box, which is nice. I wish maybe Airgun Depot would offer them. And once they're in, you can put your broadhead on. This is a 100 grain round broadhead. Now, when I was testing this, I didn't really have a good backstop, so we just tried it. We shot it through a metal sign into a tree. And I know the bolt went a good 3 inches into the tree. So this thing is really powerful, and I haven't been able to take it to the range to test it. Hold it, still is. I haven't been able to take it to the range to test it and to chronograph it, but I know it's at least 600 feet a second with the bolt at a full fill. Now, last time I made the video, I said 2,500 bar. I'm sorry, that's 250 bar, and it's one shot I took, it wasn't full, it didn't use a lot of air, so you're gonna get a lot of shots out of this per fill. I don't know how many. I think Hatsan said upwards of 40. So it's well worth the money. It's very powerful, and you can get your bolts at Lancaster Archery. You know what to order, and they're easy to deal with, so you don't have a lot of foolishness to go through. You don't have to heat it up and pull the interior piece out. So I want to thank you, and I hope this helps all the folks that have bought the Hatsan Harpoon. It's Mr. Burns, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you.